Hello dear students, this is the video of standard 6 and chapter number 9 introduction to QBasic, and in this video I will discuss the following programs. A program in QBasic to input length, breadth and height of a cuboid and print its volume. Second, a program in QBasic to input a number and print its square and cube. In the previous class, I have also discussed some programs. I have discussed to input a number, to input three numbers and find their product. And second program which I have discussed to input the length and breadth of a rectangle and find its perimeter and the area, find its area and the perimeter. So let us see this program. First of all, you have to find the volume of a cuboid. Now you have to understand what is volume and what is cuboid. You can see this type of image. It is a cuboid. It is the image of a cuboid. It has length, breadth, and it has some height. Okay, this can be a tank. This type of wooden tank or the tank which is made up of plastic or concrete. Okay, and what is the volume? How much water it contains? It is its volume. How much water it contains? It is its volume. Understood? So you have to find its volume. Do you know the formula for finding the volume of a cuboid? You can easily use this formula. You can use, let me increase the font size. You can use volume of a cuboid equals to length. Volume of a cuboid equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by its height. Understood? Now, when you multiply length into breadth into its height, its volume, it will find its volume. So you have to use this formula in your program. So let us see. First, double click on the QBasic shortcut icon. It will open. Now a message will be flashed. Press escape key. It will. A message will be disappeared from the screen. Now you can start writing the program. So you have to enter length, breadth, and height. You can print some message under double quotation mark. Enter the length. Now you have to use input command for entering the length. Input L. L is the variable in which length is entered. Now again you use print command. Now enter breadth. Now again you have to use input command for entering the breadth. So input B for B is a variable in which breadth will be entered. Input B. Now again print another message to input height. Enter the height. Now use input command. Input H. So there are three variables L, B and H in which length, breadth and height will be entered respectively. Now after entering length, breadth and height, you have to find its volume. You have to use print command. Print volume equals to Now L into B into H, L multiplied by B multiplied by H, L, B and H. Now you can see I have used asterisk sign here. Press enter key. I've used asterisk sign, or you can say a star sign. So this asterisk sign or a star sign is known as multiplication sign in computer. When you are doing programming, this asterisk sign is known as multiplication sign. Understood? Now you can run your program, click on run, click on start. Enter the length, you can enter the length, suppose 3. Enter the breadth, suppose 2. 3 into 2, 6. Now enter the height. Suppose you have entered 4. Its height is 4. Press enter key. Volume equals to 24. You can also add its unit, meter cube or centimeter cube, whatever. Now press any key to continue. You can see the message at the bottom. Press any key to continue. So when you press any key, you will come in your program, QBasic program. Understood? Now you can save your program. Click on file, click on save as apps option. You can write a file name volume or any another file name. Click on OK. It will be saved. Now you can close it. Now second program. A program in QBasic to input a number and print its square and cube. So it is also very easy program. Now first of all, you have to open QBasic. Press escape key. This message will disappear. Now you have to use print command. Enter a number. Now you can use input command for entry. Input x. Inside the variable x, your number will be inputted. Now you have to find its square and cube. Now you will write print command. Print square of the number equals to, you can use x into x multiplied by x. Now again you have to use another print command for finding the cube. Print the number equals to x multiplied by x 3 times. X, you have to multiply x 3 times. X into x into x. Okay. Now you have written a QBasic program to find the square of a number and to find the cube of the same number. Now you have to run this program. Click on run. Click on start. Enter a number. Suppose you have entered 5. Press enter key. So its square is 25 and cube is 125. Understood? So in this way, you can write a QBasic program for solving your mathematical problems, and it is also used for many other purposes. Now you know how to save it. Click on file and click on save as option. Write your file name, click on OK. It will be saved. Suppose the file name is number, click on OK, it will be saved. And you can see its extension, number.bas. What is its extension? Its extension is .bas. Understood? So I hope children you have understood this program. So thanks for watching this video, children.